Good morning, Northeast High School, class of 2026. So before we get started with College Board information, I'm going to turn it over to your defending 2025 state champion, Northeast High School cheerleader.
Good morning, everyone. We've never had a $500 scholarship winner from Northeast before. So I think that we're going to change that today. Is Zhane Wiggins? I think she's on the stage, right? Zhane, why don't you walk up and join us? So unfortunately, I'm not going to tell you you won $500. You did not win $500. You won $40,000. We're happy to award you with this scholarship. We hope that this helps you figure out your plan for what college you want to attend in the fall, and we're very, very, very proud of you. Congratulations.
I was so shocked. I was not expecting it at all. I was like paying attention, and then they're like talking about the scholarship, and then I didn't even like expect them to like call one from here.
I was like, $500. This is amazing. College is expensive, so every little bit helps. And then they said oh no, we can't give you $500. I was like, well, what are they giving her? Is this a prank? But they said the $40,000. I was like, oh my goodness, this is so amazing. Beyond a dream come true, because I didn't even know that the scholarship opportunity was there.
So I know she's currently an AVID student and in dual enrollment and clearly a cheerleader. And she wants to go into physical therapy, which is really exciting. I'm glad we're able to give her the scholarship for the opportunity to do that.
This is definitely going to help so much, knowing college is expensive and then going into the medical field and stuff like that.
It helps a lot. Especially with picking schools. Sometimes you pick schools based on the cost, and now this opens up opportunities to look at other schools